Using the technique that we just learned, I've gone ahead and made 7 links that are beaded, 4 with a larger bead, 3 with a smaller. Now I have a small wrist, so if you have a larger wrist, you can actually add 1 more to your each size, and then you would actually need 2 more jump rings as well. I'm using 8 large jump rings. I've got a tiny split ring, which is essentially a jump ring that wraps around itself. It's a little bit more secure. I'm going to use that as my clasp end. And I have 1 gold clasp for my bracelet piece. It's just a lobster clasp like before. Now we're going to assemble this bracelet using these links and our jump rings, and this is essentially going to be a lesson on jump rings and clasps. So we're going to go ahead and take one of our links, and we're going to take our jump ring. We're going to place our pliers, let's see here, on one side. Ooh, wrong ones, don't want to cut that. These. And we're going to take our flat nose pliers and we're going to twist them apart. Now if you've got strong fingers, you can hold it with one hand, but it's a little bit easier on your fingertips to just twist it apart. Now we're going to hang a loop. We're going to hang our clasp, and we're going to close in the same manner. It's really easy to have a little bit of a gap, so I like to actually twist back and forth just past my finished point, and I will squeeze in just a tiny bit to make sure that it's nice and tight as well. I'm going to lay that down. I'm going to twist open my next piece. I'm going to attach the chain that I've already started and one of my smaller beads. Let that dangle and close that loop. So we've got a little chain started. We're going to keep adding our link pieces by picking up our chain, dropping our new link on, and closing until we don't have any beads left. Just a few more beads and we'll have a completed bracelet. So this is how you can twist it open if you've got strong fingers. Starting to shape up pretty nicely. Oops, tighten that up a little bit more. Okay, we've got one more bead. And our final loop, we're going to pick up our chain and our split ring and close that up. And there you have a nice new chain bracelet. To close, attach your clasp to your split ring. And there you have it.